Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll continue with value education. Do you all remember the story which we did in the last class? What was the story? The butcher and the dogs. We did chapter number 6, the butcher and the dogs. Let us have a quick recap of the story. Long time ago, there was a butcher, and a dog used to come to his shop every day, and the butcher used to love the dog very much. Every day he used to give the dog a piece of meat. Now what the dog did, he ate a part of the meat and he kept the other part in the corner outside the shop. Okay, the butcher gave every day the butcher used to give him a piece of meat, but the dog used to eat only half of the piece and keep the remaining part outside the shop in a corner. Now every day in the evening the butcher used to tell him that I'm closing the shop now and I'm going, and the dog used to say goodbye by wagging his tail. Okay, now this he did every means the whenever the butcher used to close the shop, he used to tell the dog that I am going, and the dog used to tell him goodbye by wagging his tail. Now what did the dog do after the butcher left? He used to take that piece of meat and go away somewhere. This happened every day. He used to go away somewhere taking the piece of meat. This happened every day. Every day the dog used to keep a he used to eat half of the piece of the meat and keep the remaining half in the corner, right? So once the butcher left, he used to take that piece of meat and go somewhere. Now this happened every day. So one day the butcher, he thought to himself, today I will close the shop early and see where the dog goes with the lump of meat. Okay, every day he used to think where this dog is going with the meat. So what he did today, what he thought to himself, that today he'll close the shop early and see where the dog is going. So saying that, the butcher followed the dog. Now the butcher, he hid himself behind a tree, and he saw what was the dog doing with the lump of meat. Now the dog stopped when he reached a drain pipe. Okay, he stopped when he reached a drain pipe. What did the butcher see? There was an injured dog wagging its tail. Okay, there was one more. There was another dog in the drain pipe. Okay, and he was injured and he started wagging his tail, seeing the dog with the lump of meat. Now the dog, what did the dog tell the injured dog? Come, dear friend, eat your share. Okay, so the dog who had taken the meat to the drain pipe, he tells the other injured dog that come and have your share of meat. Okay, the butcher was very surprised to see their love for each other. Okay, every day this dog who was sitting out of the butcher shop every day, and he used to what he did there, what did the dog do? He used to do every day, he used to bring the he used to eat only half part. Okay, and the half part he used to bring it for the dog who was in the drain pipe, the injured dog, and every day he used to do that. So the butcher was very surprised to see their love for each other. Now what did the butcher do? He took both the dogs home. He called a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor is the animal doctor. Then the doctor, he treated the injured dog. Now, both the dogs lived in the butcher's house guarding the house. Now, the butcher also took care of them. He gave them food every day to eat. He took good care of them. Then one day, what happened? A thief entered the house. The a thief entered the house. He jumped from the wall, and the dogs were sleeping there. Both the dogs, and seeing the thief, both the dogs started barking. They both started barking, and immediately the butcher came out of the house and caught the thief. He caught the thief and he gave the thief to the police. And this is how the dogs saved the house from getting robbed by the thief. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is kindness is the noblest weapon to conquer with. Okay, you always to be very kind to everyone, be it animals, be it plants, be it animals, be it any human beings, be it anybody. You have to be kind to everyone. Animals love each other. Swami Omkananda says animals love each other. Even we should love each other. Be kind to everyone. Yes, you have to be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone and love everyone. So now let us do the textual questions, question and answers. Okay. See the first question. Who visited the butcher's shop every day? Who visited the butcher's shop every day? What's the answer? A dog visited the butcher's shop every day. Repeat after me. A dog visited the butcher's shop every day. Question number 2. What did the butcher give the dog to eat? What did the butcher give the dog to eat? The butcher gave the dog a piece of meat to eat. Repeat. The butcher gave the dog a piece of meat to eat. Question number 3. What happened regularly? What happened regularly? The dog ate a part of the meat and kept the other part in a corner outside the shop. This happened regularly. Repeat, children. The dog ate a part of the meat and kept the other part in a corner outside the shop. This happened regularly. What did the butcher see on reaching the drain pipe? What did the butcher see on reaching the drain pipe? On reaching the drain pipe, the butcher saw an injured dog wagging its tail, seeing the other dog with the lump of meat. Okay, repeat now. On reaching the drain pipe, the butcher saw an injured dog wagging its tail, seeing the other dog with the lump of meat. What was the butcher surprised to see? What was the butcher surprised to see? The butcher was surprised to see their love for each other. Repeat. The butcher was surprised to see their love for each other. What did the butcher do with both the dogs? What did the butcher do with both the dogs? The butcher took both the dogs home. Repeat. The butcher took both the dogs home. What did the dogs do? What did the dogs do when a thief entered the house? What did the dogs do when a thief entered the house? When a thief entered the house, the dogs started barking. Repeat. When a thief entered the house, the dogs started barking. When a thief entered the house, the dogs started barking. Question 8. What did the butcher do on hearing the dogs bark? What did the butcher do on hearing the dogs bark? Answer. On hearing the dogs bark, the butcher came out. He caught the thief and gave him to the police. Repeat. On hearing the dogs bark, the butcher came out. He caught the thief and gave him to the police. Repeat one more time. On hearing the dogs bark, the butcher came out. He caught the thief and gave him to the police. Let's begin the activities. Make a list of things of beauty that you can give thanks for. Make a list of things of beauty that you can give thanks for. Now, we are surrounded with so many beautiful things. There are so many things in nature, beautiful nature all around us. Okay, there are so many things that we should be thankful for. Okay, so many things of beauty that we should be thankful for. Let's see. Beautiful sunset. Okay, how when you see the sunset, how the sky looks, so beautiful, and the sun looks so beautiful. The sunset scene is so beautiful. Yes, so like that, so many things are there in the nature which are so beautiful, and for that we should be so thankful. Now, can you think of something else that is beautiful? It is beautiful and we should thank for that. Yes, let's see. The green trees. Yes, the trees all around us, they are so beautiful, tall green trees, and we should thank for the trees because trees give us so many things, isn't it? The green trees all around us. Then the colorful flowers. The colorful flowers all around, they add beauty to nature, isn't it? All colorful flowers. Then lovely birds. If you see some birds, they are so colorful. Lovely birds like the peacock. The peacock is so beautiful. Yes, there are colorful parrots. So beautiful. So all lovely birds. They look so nice. Yes. Then what else? Um, then colorful butterflies. Colorful butterflies. Yes, Butterflies, they add beauty to nature, all colorful butterflies flying around, isn't it? So you should thank God for all this beauty around us. Okay. Now, can there are two words given to you, but they are jumbled up. Okay, you have to unscramble the words. So see the first word, VOLE. What can be the word? What can be the word? The word is love. Yes, you should love everyone. Okay. Now see the second word, SENSIDNK. What can be the word? Think, children. What was the moral? Yes, you should be kind. Show kindness. Yes. KINDNESS. Kindness. Okay, love and kindness. Should love everybody and be kind to everyone. Okay, now there's a riddle here. Okay, can you solve this riddle? They have voice, but they cannot talk. They have voice, we can hear their voice, but they cannot talk like us. Who are they? They are the animals and birds all around us. Animals, they have sound. Yes, they have voice, but they cannot talk like us. Yes, animals and birds. Animals and birds. They have voice, but they cannot talk like us. Yes. So, children, we have finished with the chapter. Keep revising. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Sai Ram.